Hey everybody, what's up? So today's an interesting day. Today we got a misfire on my wife's 2008 Honda Odyssey in cylinder 1. So I learned that cylinder 1 when you're looking at the engine bay is the back leftmost cylinder. So I'll put a screenshot of where I learned that down below or something like that. And then you can see it, or maybe above. Above would probably be better. And so you could see how it's laid out. And then, so we're going to get in there and we're going to pull out that spark plug and pull out that coil pack and see if it's messed up. All right, I'm going to put a jacket on because it's freezing. All right, later. Okay, I'm going to show you my two favorite ratchets. This one is the extendable ratchet from Harbor Freight. Not expensive, but really useful. The other one is this one, which is a Ryobi 3/8 driver. So that with the 10mm, we're gonna pull out this number 1 coil pack. See, this is not number 2, this is 4 and 5, but 1 and 2 are back there, and we're gonna just unbolt them and swap them, and then run the car again and see if my code swaps to the second cylinder. If it does, it means my coil pack's bad. If it doesn't, then something else is wrong. Okay, this is coil pack number 1. Come on. Coil pack number 1. This is what I did. I just kind of pulled it up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Pulled it up a little bit. Yeah, pulled it up a little bit. Squeeze this guy. Pop the coil pack up. Yeah, I'm going to do it with 2 hands because this is impossible with 1 hand. But then you just squeeze that, push it down, pull this cable off, and then this thing will come right out. I'm going to swap it right into this one here, into 1. Plug it all back in. That way I don't waste any time. I will say also, there's a little bit of corrosion in the end here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like greenish. So I don't know if that's causing a problem, but we'll see. Okay, we're running the car again. Now it's got still has a check engine light. So we're gonna run diagnostics on my NT510 Elite. Just gonna go straight to Honda, and we're gonna select. Yeah, we'll just select the right one, and then we'll. Yep, that's the right one. Okay, Honda Odyssey. I think it's control modules. I think it's engine control system. That should tell us. Read codes. Alright, I'll come back. Okay, it did show 302 now, but it showed 301 also, but I think it's because I didn't clear the codes first. Okay, great news. I'm going to show you what I found. I cleared the codes, and it says temporary misfire cylinder number 2. This is great. The reason is because that means just the coil pack is bad, and we just need to replace it. So that's awesome, because otherwise we'd have to replace all the coil packs, or the cylinder might be totally bad. So I'm going to pull that out, drive over to O'Reilly's, get a new one, come back. All right. So, simple diagnostic. Thank goodness it's something simple. Peace. Okay, so just to recap, simple diagnostics that you can do is if you're getting misfire on one cylinder, take your coil pack off. First step, take your coil pack off, that first, whatever cylinder that is, swap it over to another one and swap it back. Clear the code, and then run the car until you get a check engine light, and then scan it again. If the code has moved, then it's one of your coil packs are bad, which is great. It's a simple fix. I'm going to pull the spark plugs just to make sure they're not all messed up, but generally speaking, that's it. Just a bad coil pack. I'll leave a screenshot of the which cylinders are which for the Honda J series engine. Okay, so good news is I had bought that at AutoZone, that coil pack, and it was free to replace because it had a lifetime warranty. So I got a new one, and this time I'm going to put dielectric grease on it because it really looked like it was corroding. So I'm going to find that, and then I will be right back. Oh, there it is. Oh, you know, dielectric grease. Cool. All right, we're going to put it on the end of this thing and then snap it onto spark plug, and we should be good to go. Okay, here's the part number, C1624, Duralast, and then this is, that's interesting. Oh, it's got some kind of green dielectric grease already on there. Huh, maybe that's what I was seeing. Weird. Okay, well, I'm going to put some on anyway. All right, peace. Okay, this is how much I put on. I'm not sure if that's too much or too little. We're going to find out. Hey, everybody. Okay, so I just wanted you to know coil pack did fix the car. That took almost no time, and the car's running great. And yeah, just wanted you to know that that fixed it. If you guys have any questions, please ask me in the comments below, and leave a like and a share if you can, and subscribe if you can, and I'll try to get some more stuff out like this. All right, hope you guys are doing well. Peace.